Yo, 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 welcome to Top 5 Stock Bets of the Day. It's a show where we give you our analysis on whether the top 5 trending stocks of the day will close green or red tomorrow, and we're going to bet on it. Alright, so first of all, Apple. And we're going to be shorting Apple. We're going to bet that Apple closes red tomorrow, and here's why. So far, for the past, ever since October, for the past 2 months, Apple has been going straight up from 140 to 180. And even despite Q is struggling, right? It crashed and then now it bounced and now it crashing again. Yeah, Apple just keeps going up. But now, finally, Apple is about to go down, right? Recently, the Qs again had a horrible day, right? Look at the other stocks like AMD. All these growth stocks are starting to fall. Like GME, all starting to fall. Even though they're not in the same sector, the entire market is starting to go downwards. And guess what? Apple was at all-time highs today. Earlier this morning, it was at all-time highs. And now it had an intraday 2% drop, a huge bearish engulfing candle going down from all-time highs. And there is no support. Where is the nearest support? Maybe 171. But I bet you that Apple is going to close red tomorrow, right? It's pretty obvious, right? And we're going to bet on that. So let's go to StockBet.io. Let's find Apple. Here's Apple. Okay, so users on StockBet.io actually think Apple is 50-50. They're pretty 50-50. But we're actually going to bet that Apple goes red tomorrow. It's pretty good odds for us. We get 82% return if we are correct. And let's do it. All right, here it is. That's it. Number one and number two. Number two, we are going to go to Walmart. Walmart, we're going to be long Walmart. We're going to bet that Walmart goes green tomorrow. Looking at this, you see, 1, 2, 3 bullish engulfing candles in a row, right? While the MACD is going positive. So why is Walmart going up while all the different tech stocks on our watch list on StockBet.io is red, right? Because Walmart is a hedge against market downfall, right? When the economy collapses, we're going to be going to potential recession where, as the market falls, people scramble and go into more steady cash flow businesses, right? These are not high growth stocks. That's why you see all tech going red. Right? These are more traditional, right, business models where they sell you stuff, and Walmart is always going to be there, especially during the downturn where a lot more people are going to be poorer and going to spend more money at Walmart. So that's why we're going to bet that Walmart goes green tomorrow, right? Also, 3 bullish engulfing candles in a row is also called a 3 white soldier strategy, and it pretty much guarantees tomorrow, very high likelihood, it will go green. Not financial advice. And also, StockBet.io, just a disclaimer, we are in the process of getting regulated. We just launched, so please use at your own risk. We are still in the process of getting regulated, so we are not yet regulated officially, completed that process yet. All right, so green, $100, green, perfect. All right, next. Number 3, we're going to go to Nvidia. And Nvidia, we are going to bet that it closes red tomorrow, right? This was already pretty scary. So Nvidia, like AMD and other like chip stocks, it's the same chart, right? Pretty much been going all the way up recently, and then now it fell down, right? Nvidia is even more scary, right? Why? Because Nvidia, we're just starting to fall, right? We just starting to fall. Look at AMD. AMD already fell and then fell even more. So Nvidia is pretty much going to be following what AMD does, right? And especially since we had a 6%, 7% bearish engulfing candle, there was no bounce. There is no candle wick below the body. There is no wick. There's barely any wick. It just means it fell all the way down today. And guess what? The 5-minute chart shows that, right? So you gotta be careful. And for Nvidia, we're gonna bet it closes red tomorrow. Usually when you see a huge bearish engulfing candle like this, it means the selling is now over. Let's go to where it is. Here it is. All right, we're going to be betting $100 that. I don't know why, but users on StockBet.io are saying it's 50-50. But we're going to take advantage of this. It means higher return for us, right? $100 for red. All right. So we have our 3 bets already. Let's go to number 4. Number 4 is Bank of America. And for Bank of America, we are going to bet that it closes green tomorrow, right? Even though you're like, oh no, recently it's been going down as well, right? But we are at a crucial support level. It's actually not drawn on the chart yet, but I'll just draw it now. Right, so there was a lot of this was the previous resistance level, and then it broke through, and then now it acted as support, at that support, and now we're still at the support. We have not broken down the support yet, And also, raising rates is not that bad for the for Bank of America, for the banks, for the financial institutions, right? So this is kind of a risky bet, and that's why instead of betting 100, which is what we're usually doing, we're gonna bet 50 instead, and that Bank of America goes green tomorrow. And if anything's gonna go green tomorrow, it's gonna be the financial. It's gonna be the consumer staples, right? It's gonna be these steady businesses that goes green. Tech probably go red, right? That's why Bank of America, let's go green. Yeah, so you see here, okay, a lot of people think Bank of America is gonna go red, 53%, right? But that means they get lower odds. Well, since less people think Bank of America goes green tomorrow, we get higher multiplier, higher returns. So we're pretty much getting 100% return if you are correct. Well, let's bet 50 just in case. And again, not financial advice. And lastly, Coinbase, number 5. Okay, so Coinbase, we're gonna bet that Coinbase goes red. You look at the chart and you're like, oh, what? No, this is a pretty solid support level, right? Right? It acted as previous support, first time, second time, resistance once, resistance again, right? And then here, also it touched a few times, and here resistance again, and this is active support. So we're like, why are we still betting it goes red tomorrow? This looks like a pretty solid support. It could bounce. However, if you're looking after markets, if you're looking at the Bitcoin prices, if you're looking at the Ethereum prices, all the crypto are crashing after hours right now, right? And Coinbase has a lot of exposure to the crypto market, right? It's literally a centralized crypto exchange. So as crypto falls, Coinbase will fall. And if it breaks this support, it's going to go all the way down to 242. All right, so that's why we're going to bet that Coinbase goes red tomorrow. Where's Coinbase? Let's search. All right, here's Coinbase. 100 on red. All right, that's it. So once again, StockBet.io, if you want to try this out, we're a startup. We just launched a month ago, and we're still in the regulatory process. We're in alpha. If you want to become an alpha tester and start using the site immediately, go to StockBet.io, and see you next time.